Is your computer acting like it's stuck in slow motion? Well, today I'm going to show you several quick and easy ways to open Task Manager in both Windows 10 and 11 so you can get things running smoothly. Again, this utility lets you monitor performance and unresponsive programs and identify resource hogs, and I will show you how to open it quickly. First up, the quickest and most universal method, the keyboard shortcut. Simply press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape keys all at the same time. Boom. Task Manager should pop right up. This works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. Alright, moving on to method number 2, click on the Start menu icon, or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Now, just type Task Manager in the search bar. The Task Manager app should appear as the top result. Click on it, and you're in. Here is another simple method. Right-click on the Start menu icon. A context menu will appear from the list of options. Select Task Manager. Another way in. This last option works in both Windows 10 and 11. Find an empty spot on the taskbar, the bar usually at the bottom of your screen. Right-click on that empty space. A menu will appear, and just like before, select Task Manager. And there you have it, 4 easy ways to open Task Manager in Windows 10 and 11. Now you can monitor your system, close unwanted apps, and get your computer back to peak performance. Be sure to like and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.